Hi and welcome. This is David Anthony here from SEOmagicwebs.com, and today over the next couple of minutes we're going to have a talk about canonical errors and the implication on your ranking for Google and basically how to correct them in simple terms. So first of all, what the heck is a canonical error? Well, let's have a look at one of our clients here. This is our client, a Singapore client. Basically, they're a food company, they're a food franchise company. Now, we haven't fully optimized this site yet, and a canonical error is where you have multiple addresses pointing to a single page. So, in simple terms, that means you've got potentially duplicate content as far as Google is concerned. Duplicate content's a big no-no for Google. So, canonicals can make Google think, not in reality, but think that you've got multiple pages with the same content because you've got different addresses. So that is actually not the case. It's only one page, but it's just the way Google sees things and other search engines sees things. So on this site here, you can see here we've got Madjack Cafe. This is the home page. Now, if I hold my mouse over the home button here, and if you look down the bottom left-hand corner, I'll just in this area here, you'll see that there's actually a link to http:// Cafe. Now notice there's no www, and then it's /index.asp. That is one link to this homepage. Now notice the www. That's another link. So we can get in here with the www. If we take the www off, we still get in here. If we actually put the link in here, index.asp, then it's gone and put the www back. But there it's disappeared again. There's another link. If we put the www back, there's another. This page has 4 links coming to the home page. That is a pretty major situation. It has to be cleaned up. Now there is a slight problem that this particular site is running on a Windows-based server. You cannot necessarily fix this situation easy. You've got to go to your actual web host. And to be honest, we haven't had a lot of success with web hosts, especially basically if they're a cheaper host, then they often have no idea what you're talking about when you start talking about canonical errors, and they have no idea how to fix it. So you are up against it if you're hosting on a Windows server because your web hosting people might know about it. On a Linux-based server, there's no problem. You fix it using the HTT access file. So basically, let's have a look at our site now, which does not have canonical errors. If I get rid of the www, watch what happens. It comes back. So we've rewired our URL, so there's a single URL here. And if I hold my mouse over the home page, you see down the bottom left-hand corner here, it just says www dot. So it's with the www. So basically, canonical error is very simple. It's not that necessarily easy to fix sometimes because you've got to go through every single page that actually has the page to the link to the home.html or index.html and replace it so it actually links to your base URL, which is this URL here. So you always should do it and make sure you're consistent. So if your site is actually like that, if your site is like this without the www, that's okay. Just make sure every single link to your homepage is consistent and does not use the www. That includes using basically the subpages as well. So if I get rid of this here, you'll notice it will bounce back and come back with the www, and the blog is the same. So be consistent and make sure that works okay, and then Google will only see one page to one page. It'll only see one page for one URL, and then that way you don't have a duplicate content issue popping up that is not even real, but Google thinks it's that. So canonical errors, we fix them as part of our standard on-site optimization for a client. So using our SEO simple service that actually comes with a service whereby we actually optimize the site. So we can do that. So do have a look at this site, have a look at some of our information here, and if you want to get on the Google for unlimited keywords fast, because it's a fast service as well as a simple service for a very modest price, check this price out. We work internationally. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you soon.